Next is a story about Shankaracharya. So Shankaracharya was born in the state of Kerala and to a Nambudiri Brahmin family, and his mother's name was Shiva Taraka and his guru's name is Govinda Bhagavat Pada, and he studied in Kashi, that is near Varanasi, and he toured entire India preaching Advaitavad. And he struggled at a young age. When he was just started teenage, he was attracted to the renounced order of life, that is sannyas, and he requested his mother. Unfortunately, his father died very early in his life, so he was growing under the care of mother. At the age of 8, 9, 10, he got attracted towards the renounced order of life, that is sannyas, and he wanted to take sannyas. And mother, she said, no, please don't do that. I want you, you be with me. But Shankaracharya, he was bent upon to become a sannyasi. One day, he went with his mother to take bath near a river. So while he was taking bath, a crocodile caught his leg and he was screaming for help, and mother didn't know what to do. So mother was saying, please Shankara, please come out, please come out. And he said, my dear mother, if you allow me to become a sannyasi, then this crocodile will leave me. Otherwise, this crocodile will eat me up. And mother thought he is saying something not very serious, but at that point in time, she wanted him to be alive. She said, it's okay. If you get saved from crocodile, you can actually become a sannyasi. When she said that, immediately crocodile left and he was saved. And that incident, he took it very seriously and he said, my dear mother, now I am going. So then immediately he went towards north near Varanasi and Kashi. There he studied under Govinda Bhagavat Pada, and he did extensive studies and extensive preaching, extensive touring all over India. And he started many mutts, or we call it many peetams. So in that, the 4 important peetams or mutts he established in 4 different directions of India. So in east, he started Puri Govardhana Peetam. In south, he established Sringeri Sharada Peetam. And in west, he established Dwaraka Sharada Peetam. And in north, he established Badari Jyotirmat Peetam. And he has done a lot of contribution when it comes to literature. So his Brahma Sutra Bhashya is very famous, and he was the first person to write. Bhashya in Sanskrit means commentary. So he was the first person to write commentary on Brahma Sutra. Even now, if somebody wants to write something or refer Brahma Sutra, and they refer Shankaracharya's Brahma Sutra Bhashya. This is a very prominent and important contribution towards literatures. And then he wrote Bhashya or commentary on 10 Mukhya Upanishads or 10 principal Upanishads. Then his famous Bhagavad Gita Bhashya. He also wrote Bhashya or commentary on Bhagavad Gita. Then he also wrote on Yoga Sutras, Apastamba Dharma Sutras, and so on. So a lot of contribution he has made with respect to literatures, and definitely it was he who was the founder of Advaita philosophy, and his mutts or peetams, they are doing extensive research work and also training, teaching many students who are serious to learn about Vedic scriptures. His Brahma Sutra is one of the famous contribution by Sripad Shankaracharya.